Now, your first warning forecast with meteorologist Paul Cayano.
All right, we continue to track this storm. It's a nasty storm. Look at this. This is Hall's Boat down on the southern end of Lake George looking north. Up here is Bolton Landing. And there's a nasty thunderstorm coming right over Bolton Landing right now. National Grid first warning cam. Just an incredible shot of the storm blowing on through. It's not a severe storm in terms of wind, but it has a lot of thunder and lightning, not good for boaters, and a lot of heavy rain. And it's only moving at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So it's going to dump a lot of heavy rain and hang out over the northern half of Lake George for the next half hour to 45 minutes. So if you're boating on the southern end of Lake George, and you can see a lot of people have already headed in, get on in, let this storm blow through, and certainly don't go to the north if you're down by $1 Million Beach. And you can see this storm on the first warning live Doppler radar over Warrensburg right now. It's nasty, a lot of thunder and lightning, torrential downpours, maybe even some small hail right over the top of Lake George. Here's $1 Million Beach right down here, Diamond Point. Then you get up toward Bolton, right along Route 9. The heaviest part of the storm, the core, is moving right over Route 9 now and will be over Lake George, the northern two-thirds of the lake, right on up until about 7:15. So maybe just head on in, go see one of those restaurants, have a couple of snacks, let's say, and then head on out when things start to calm down a bit. Southeast at 11, that's it on the motion for this storm. It's going to approach Granville and Whitehall as we get into the next hour or so. Otherwise, you can see mostly dry here across the greater Capital District. A couple of showers and storms in the southern part of the Adirondack, a couple more in southern parts of Berkshire County, but they're moving away. The temperature is going to wind up being the big story. Look at the heating index combo of the temperature and the humidity. It's going to make it feel like 91 in Albany tomorrow and in the mid-90s across the area on Wednesday when the heat peaks over top of us. For now, high pressure is in control, so not a lot going on. A trigger or two in the next couple of days may touch off a shower or thunderstorm. That'll help to cool things down a bit, but they'll be few and far between. Meantime, hot and humid, leading to a muggy night tonight, 65 with areas of fog. Storms will die out as we get past sunset. 90 tomorrow, heat and humidity on. And in full force on Wednesday, that's when it crests over top of us, 92. Showers and thunderstorms around on Thursday. That's the best chance for this, but it doesn't look like it's going to cool it down much, as we'll be right back into that soup and highs near 90 for the upcoming weekend.
All right. Thank you, Paul.
You got it.
I hate winter so much around here that I love this forecast.
There you go.
You like the 90-degree weather.
I kind of do.
I do too.
Likes the
It's just
heat.
kind of me, I know.
Yeah, you lose about 5 pounds at least on your golf game.
Yes, you
Forget
do
about that, the walk from the car.